Check out our newest feature release. We now have the ability to send IVR calls to multiple team members. Our latest feature in the Workflow Builder allows you to seamlessly connect inbound calls to multiple team members at the same time through a customizable IVR system, enhancing your call routing capabilities. Why it matters and how this is going to help you. Well, this is going to allow you to streamline call management by connecting callers with the right team members instantly. It's also going to ensure a timely response by routing calls to multiple individuals at one time. You can now tailor your IVR flows to connect callers with specific teams or individuals based on their needs. I love this because I'm just a huge fan of our IVR system. This is a really solid phone system that previously wasn't available to most small businesses. I love it because with this feature update, now you can ring that call through to multiple people handling your calls so that you get a quick answer no matter what. So let's go over this. First, let's go ahead and create a workflow because that's where the IVR system really lives. So first we're going to go to automations, and then we're going to go up to workflows, and then over to the right side plus create workflow. As always, you can create a existing workflow or you can start from a template. Now go ahead and start with the IVR trigger. The trigger here needs to specifically be IVR to turn on the IVR system. So that one is specifically start IVR trigger. Now you need to go ahead and add an action. So click that plus button and select connect to call under the IVR grouping of actions. What's great is now you can use multiple users here. So you can actually click on multiple team members. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.